Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Uniswap. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that the movement of the price line of Uniswap is quite squeezed inside in another falling wedge pattern. Therefore, I was telling you that it can break this pattern. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally we have broken out this falling wedge pattern. By the way, this wedge is more visible on the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months. Since after the month of March 2024, it was moving inside this wedge. We had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce, and here we had a rejection, and here we had a fake out and the price and re-entered the same wedge. Then we had another rejection by the resistance here, and we had a big drop, and then we had another bounce here, rejection, and finally we have broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. Right now, the price and for a while broke out this long-term resistance of $7.50, and now it is retesting the previous resistance as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout that is happened on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term down channel and from this falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Uniswap that I shared a few days ago on 5th of September 2024 with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 29% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Uniswap that I shared on 5th of September 2024 with my members. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal bat move that Uniswap completed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that this time the price and moved slightly down than this potential reversal zone. However, it covered back very soon and it pumped very well and rallied beyond the sell target zone, and it was almost 29% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Uniswap, and here first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. You can see that for the past several months, since after the month of Feb 2024, it was moving inside this falling wedge pattern. And here we had a fake out. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection. And here we had a fake out, and we entered the same wedge. Then we got rejection here, bounce, rejection, and finally we have broken out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern. And imminently after the breakout, the price and read this next long-term resistance of $7.50. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here you can see that this $7.50 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here, and support here. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a strong resistance. On the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have broken out this resistance, and now the price line is retesting the previous resistance of $7.50 as a support. In case of again breaking it down, it can retest the previous resistance of the falling wedge pattern before the next move to the upside. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $17. But in my point of view, after the breakout from this wedge, if the price then reaches here, then it can also hit the next long-term resistance of $20 as well. This $20 has been previously breaking as a resistance here, support here. And again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Uniswap. Now, on this 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel and this smaller falling wedge pattern as well. And the price line has already hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, but still a very big move due, and that is the target for the breakout from this bigger down channel. And that target can be here at the top of the channel, somewhere between $45 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.